వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మీ వాసు. ముందుగా మీకు మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులందరికీ భోగి సంక్రాంతి కనుమ పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు. బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఫెస్టివ్ సీజన్, I thought I'll create all traditional looks, and this is one of my favorite color combinations, so I thought I'll create a look in this. I didn't feel that comfortable doing today's makeup with this sari, so start the makeup with the regular dress. So without any delay, let's go into the video and see how I created this look. Today I'm prepping my face with MAC Prep Plus Prime in shade Radiant Yellow. Because today I planned for a saree, I am making sure that I'm prepping my neck as well. After applying the primer, please make sure to wait for at least 2 minutes so that it will get settled into the skin. So today I'll first go with my foundation. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in shade NC42. Take a little bit on my palm and then apply it on my face in a dotted fashion so that I'll understand how much I'm using it. I'm using my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It has a very soft bristles and I'm using it from a very long time. I'm taking a little bit more for my neck area and I'm directly dipping the brush there because it needs more. I'm applying a little bit more to my neck. First and at the back of the ears as well.
I'm using my MAC concealer in shade NW35.
I'm using an eyebrow pencil. This is not a branded one. You can use any eyebrow pencil which you like. Always make sure that you are making that outlining of your eyebrows. I have a complete tutorial on how to groom your eyebrows, so you can go and check there. To create a sharp eyebrow look, I'm using foundation with a flat brush. When I recently started contouring, I am loving to do contouring to my face. This is the contouring stick I'm using from LA Colors.
To get a dimension on the face, I'm applying it on my cheekbones, on my forehead and on my jawline.
If you want to do your nose contouring, do it on your nose. Nose contouring really makes a lot of difference.
Always blend the contouring in an upward direction so that it will give a lifted look to your face.
Nose area, I mostly prefer to do it with hands after contouring face.
I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NC43 and color bar brush. I'm prepping my eyes with Ulta Beauty Eye Primer.
Today I will use this as an eyeshadow base for my eyes. Whenever you want to create a wing, make sure while you're applying your eyeshadow itself, you are doing that wing shape. I'm using this red pigment from Jelly Wing Cosmetics in shade Red Jean. Mixing it with my Inglot Duraline. I'm not sure how it comes, but I'm trying to do.
I'm applying this on the same outline that I created as a wing with the base shadow and the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes. Also, if you have a red eyeshadow palette, you can even use that.
Red. Doing the same process to my other eye.
I did left a gap in the middle of the eye on the eyeball area, but then again I didn't like, so I'm filling it again. It might look a little bit dark now, but once I apply the golden shade on the middle of my eyeball, it will decrease the intensity of red and will give a perfect look.
I'm almost done with the shades. I'm using my Garnier Micellar Water to clean it and give that exact shape that I'm looking for. Don't want top of the crease area, so I'll remove all of that. Now that my eyeshadow is done, I will proceed with my eyeliner and mascara. Using my Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner in shade Black.
I'm trying to create a sharp line in the inner corner of my eyes and I'm repeating the same thing to the other eye as well.
I'm using my Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara from MAC.
Initially, I thought I will apply false lashes, but after applying this mascara, I didn't think that they are needed.
I'm using the blush from Sephora Hey Jealous N17 and the Vega blush brush. I'm using my Nomad Kiss of Sun highlighter and e.l.f. highlighting brush. And as I'm wearing a saree, the highlighter will go over my collarbones as well.
I'm prepping my lips with MAC Lip Primer and using my MAC Retro Matte Lip Color.
I forgot to apply a little bit of highlighter in my inner corner of my eyes, and I'll do that. I'm using my Wonder Beauty palette. You can use anything that is in a gold shade.
This will add a little bit more sparkle to your eyes.
I'm using my MAC Plus Prime Fixing Spray. I'm done with all my makeup. Now I'll quickly change my costume and come back. Ta-da! I'm back with my traditional attire. I totally forgot about my kajal pencil. Now I'll apply the kajal.
Applying kajal is a must for a traditional look because that really elevates the entire look of the eyes. And here my eyes are watering, so always use an earbud so that it will not spread all over your eye. And also reapplying the kajal will give a more intensified look to the eyes. Moving on to the jewelry, I had to fix one of my earrings pearl because it has been missed. So I removed the other earring pearl, and then it's for the bindi time. Oh, I always have a struggle for bindis, and finally go back to the original one which I always love. And this is the final look of the day.
If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu. Also, please don't forget to ring the bell icon so that as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification.